Never mind. So tell me, what is it about my smile?
It fits you. It suits you. It's the pictures of my grandmother's.
I really hope she's there to see you comparing what she thinks you like about her to another woman just to get a number.
I don't even want her to even increase our circle of friendship.
Alright, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. We're not supposed to be having a serious conversation about this. It's supposed to be an issue. I mean, it's something very, very simple.
So, which part did you enjoy the most?
The whole part.
All part?
Yes.
Can you guess what language the mother was speaking?
Igbo.
Igbo.
Yes. Mister, please, for your own good, stay away. Stay away from her.
Because Laraba is conveniently evil.
And what does that mean? Well, you should know now.
I know it's hard to believe that a young man like me fathered this ugly, or let me say not handsome boy.
Hello? Did you just call my mom tips bullshit?
But it actually makes no sense.
You are very rude.
Baby.
Yes, love.
We have an unfinished business.
He told us you guys have unfinished business. Yeah, unfinished business.
He told you that?
Yes, he did. Abi?
Or she's actually waiting for the wedding day to play Shango with everybody present.
Come on, it, guys.
Oma.
Well, you know, Omalicha has every quality a good woman must have. But Laraba is irascible and also an annoying cook. You know, when it comes to meal, Omalicha is wow.
Please tell me, where did you keep it?
In my drawer, of course.
Your drawer?
Yes.
Do you know where I found this?
But it's just a piece of paper, and I could have just reprinted another one if I could no longer found it.
Did you just say piece of paper?
Omalicha, you've been going around, sleeping with another man while I'm here, very faithful to you.